Welcome to Window Wraps. We've created this series of videos to help you give us the information we need to make the perfect shades and draperies for you. The most important step in this is measuring, especially when it comes to shades. At Window Wraps, we manufacture both Roman shades and roller shades. Window shades can be installed either inside or outside the window. Most people prefer to have it installed inside the window. It keeps in line with your existing opening and also allows you to showcase your trim. In some cases, however, this either can't be done because of the depth of the window, or if you want the room to be more room darkening, therefore you would go to an outside mount. So before you start measuring, you're going to want to have a steel measuring tape, a pen or pencil, and a notebook. So to manufacture a Roman or a roller shade, we need two measurements, the width and the length. So to measure the width, when I'm doing an inside mount, I like to measure at 3 separate spots. The reason for that is sometimes windows aren't always totally perpendicular to each other, and you want to make sure that your blind will operate smoothly up and down and not rub at any point. So what I like to do is measure across the top, and then in the middle, and then at the bottom. And then what I'll do is write down the smallest of those measurements. And then when it comes to the length, you're going to put your tape measure right to the top of the trim. And right to the bottom. And then again, write that measurement down. Now when you're measuring for outside mount, this part gets a little bit trickier, only because a lot of it is personal preference. So you decide between yourself and your client what look they want, how much of the window they want to cover. So the minimum you want to cover is, again, you want to measure the trim itself. So you're going to hook your measuring tape on the edge and then go right over and then write that measurement down. Now for the length, you're going to take your trim to trim measurement again. But I like to add about 1 inch over that length for the hardware, because your hardware will be installed above the trim. The final step in the measuring process is to fill out the order form. So if you refer to our Window Wraps order sheet, there's a column marked width, and in that column you're going to write the smallest measurement you took across the window, and then in the column marked length you're going to write the number you took, the length of the window. And that's how you order the perfect window shade.